Come, Ron Jeremy.
Red Rocket.
Is he done? Is he oh, there he is. It's a big thing, huh?
Tuna lover.
He's a big one.
Yeah. Here he comes, buddy. I'm gonna give him some more love. Sea hunt love. Oh no, maybe he's done. Nope. He's coming back for more. There you go, buddy. See him?
Hey Jen, why don't you like Shelly doing it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm okay.
Here. You want me to do it?
No, I got it.
Down move.
I can see good from up here.
Stand up, buddy.
I do want to get his red rocket, though.
Here he is, buddy.
Now he's gonna go tell his friends, oh, you should have seen this boat. I was throwing in it.
What are you doing, Kelly? Oh, you're gonna get his penis? Oh, God. Here, Shelly, you can